Jackie and welcome back to my channel, Dream Along with Jackie. Today I am at the beach and I'm so excited about it. All of my roommates are here. We somehow made it work. So we are all here living our best lives and I'm gonna vlog. And then tonight I'm going to the Hoop-Dee-Doo. Yay!
Guess where we at?
The Hoop-Dee-Doo.
Woo! Hoop-Dee-Doo, Hoop-Dee-Doo.
Let's raise the roof inside the Hoop-Dee-Doo. No, the actual words. And then stop.
Oh, I know that.
Over shoulder. Hi guys, so you know how we were going to the Hoop-Dee-Doo? It was not canceled, but they're having technical difficulties, so we're still not, now it's just free food. So we're still going,
free food.
Still getting our food, but now we're getting it for free. And we're still getting somewhat of a show, it's just they're not allowed to go on stage, so we'll still get to see our Pioneer Hall players and get some yummy food, but it will all just be for free. So thanks Disney! Hoop-Dee-Doo! Hoop-Dee-Doo! Hoop-Dee-Dee! Hoop-Dee-Doo! So I'm not really sure how the show is gonna work now, since we are still going to see the Pioneer Hall players. So I'm assuming they're just gonna sing as many of the songs that they usually do and just not be on stage for them. I don't know. That's kind of sad because I was so excited to see the show, but like, we're getting our free food.
And we're starving.
And we're starving college program students that are now eating unlimited food for free.
Best life.
They didn't do the Hoop-Dee-Doo song.
Sweetie. You have to be sure to use your fork.
We are about to be served our chicken, but there's no one here to sing for us. So I'll sing. More chicken, more chicken, more chicken. Let's eat.
More chicken.
More chicken, more chicken. Let's eat.
I don't think you can come back.
I'm sad.
Across the wide Ocean, I love your daughter.
This land is yours. This land is my land. From California to New York Island, and my forest to the ocean water. This land will take you with me. First time I've been the last one in the Hoop-Dee-Doo. Sorry, not sorry. Alright, so we just got done with our Hoop-Dee-Doo musical review, and let me tell you, it was not the Hoop-Dee-Doo that we know and love. And I'm not mad about it, but I am a little disappointed. But you know what? everything happens for a reason, and it was really cool because we got to see a show that nobody else really ever gets to see, and we got to see all of the Pioneer players kind of sing songs that we don't usually get to see them sing, and they still did some classics, so it was a great time. But for our friend Kelsey, my roommate, she never got to see the show before, so it was kind of like a tease for her, and she like really wishes she got to see the actual show. And Alex is leaving, so now it's like sad that he might not possibly be able to get to see the actual show. So I mean, I would actually be upset if I weren't ever able to see the show again, but I'm coming back in August, so it's gonna be fine. We're great. And we got to meet the whole cast after and take a picture, so like that's really cool. I'm really glad we waited to do that. So yeah, he got his signatures. So it was definitely a really cool experience, and it was a little upsetting. We were a little disappointed, but like we also got free food. So honestly, if above everything, like that was really the piece of cake of the night, that we got that whole meal for free, and we're all stuffed and we're all broke, so we're really lucky. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.
And don't forget to turn on the notifications.
Don't forget. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you real soon.